Myself Nandini Kulkarni, studying in standard 8. Today I am going to teach you how to find square of big number. So let's start. We will take example number 1 as 91. While finding the square, we have to at least know the square from 1 to 9. Okay? There are two steps while finding the square. First step is we have to find the square of these both numbers. 81 as square of 9 and 1 as square of 1. We have to always write the square in two-digit number. Second step, in second step we have to multiply these both number and do double of them. That is 9 into 1 into 2. Answer will come 18. You have to leave one's place blank and write this 18 here and add it. 1, 8, 2, 8. So the square of 91 will come 8281. Let's move on to example number 2. We will take example number 2 as 56. We have to take the same procedure here. 25 as square of 5, 36 as square of 6. Second step, multiply these both numbers and do double of them. Answer will come 60. We have to leave one's place blank, write this 60 here and add it. Answer will come 6, 3, 11, carry 1 and 3. So the square of 56 will come 3136. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, myself Rajvardhan Sote. I am studying in class 8 and today I am going to teach you about hydro energy. Do you know what is meaning of hydro energy? You all must have flown a paper boat in flowing water. Do you know why it flows in flowing water? It flows in flowing water because flowing water has some energy. If you add here a small turbine instead of paper boat, it makes turbine to move and it produces kinetic energy. The definition of kinetic energy is the energy due to the motion of substance is known as kinetic energy, and afterwards it is converted into electrical energy with the help of generator. To construct this all, they select a place in hilly region and stop the flow of water by building a wall in the middle. And when the water comes to the extract point, they open the gate and the water rushes through the penstock till turbine and it makes turbine to move. As generator is attached to the turbine, the generator also starts to move. The turbine produces kinetic energy. When the kinetic energy goes into the generator, it converts kinetic energy to electrical energy. There are some wires attached to generator. The wire takes the electrical energy to every appliances in distinct region, and as usual the water goes into the river once again. Here the no water is wasted, and this all process is known as hydro energy. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Suratna Dayan Desai. Today I am going to teach you understanding quadrant. So we'll take some basic point that opposite angle of parallelogram is equal, like angle A and angle C is equal and angle D and angle B is equal. Second point is addition of adjacent angle of parallelogram is 180, like angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree and angle C and angle D is equal to 180 degree. By this we solve this sum. They have given us a parallelogram ABCD, named B is 100 degree, and we should solve XYZ angles. So by this property we will get Y. Why? Because opposite angles are equal. So Y we have got as 100 degree, and by this property we will get Z. By it is 180. So Z plus 100 degree plus is equal to 80 degree. So if we shift it will become minus 180 minus 100 degree. Z we got 80 degree, and by this property again we will get X because it is opposite. So Z is equal to X. So X is equal to 80. We have got all angles like Y, Z and X. Thank you.
Hello students. morning, myself Sneha Sangram Padam from 8th standard. Today we will be learning about non-conventional source of energy. So the energy is ability to do work and it is everywhere around us. So there are many sources of energy like tidal energy, wind energy, biogas, solar energy, etc. Non-conventional source of energy is important because it is renewable, eco-friendly and pollution-free. So students will be learning about solar energy and wind energy in brief. Now let's start with solar energy. Sun is a source of energy and all life on Earth. Sun's heat and light can be felt by us every day. Solar panels are used for convert energy into electricity. Solar energy is used in solar heaters, solar cookers, solar dryers and many more. The advantages of solar energy are it is inexhaustible and non-polluting, and the disadvantages are it is expensive and difficult to get wasted. Now the second one is wind energy. Wind energy is inexhaustible source of energy and it is obtained by using a power of wind. In the modern time, the windmills rotate and which is connected to generator and produce the electricity. The windmills are located in coastal regions and in mountains where strong and steady wind blows. Now the advantages of wind energy are it is safe and clean, non-polluting, and the disadvantages are harmful to birds and noise pollution. So student, I am going to ask you one question regarding this topic. Which is the largest non-conventional source of energy?
Solar energy.
Yes, that's right. Solar energy is non-conventional source of energy. So students, I hope you enjoyed this class. So student, I am going to end this class. Bye student.
Hi everybody, my name is Saish Nitin Podar. I am studying in 8th standard. My school name is Sarvodaya Vivek Jeevan Vidya Public School. Hello dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learn about the major crops which are grown in India. So let us begin with our class. First of all, we will note that there are two types of major crops which are grown in India. They are, first is Kharif crops and second is Rabi crops. First, we will learn about Kharif crops. Kharif crops are sown in the monsoon season. In India, the monsoon season can differ from state to state and last from June to September. Kharif crops require hot and wet conditions to grow. Some examples of Kharif crops are paddy means rice and cotton. Now we will learn about Rabi crops. Rabi crops are sown in the winter season. In India, the winter season can last from October to March. Rabi crops require dry weathers and cold climates to grow. Some examples of Rabi crops are wheat and mustard. Now here are some of the pictures of Kharif crops and Rabi crops. This is the picture of cotton which comes in Kharif crops and this is the picture of wheat which comes in Rabi crop. So here we come to today's end of the class. I hope you all have enjoyed today's class. Let us meet once again in next class. Bye students, happy learning.
Hello students, myself Sanjay and welcome to the online maths class. So today we are going to learn the criteria for congruence of triangle. Our first criteria is yes, that is side, side, side. In this we can see that side AB is equal to PQ, that is 15 cm, side BC is equal to QR, that is 17 cm, and side AC is equal to side PR, that is 15 cm. So that now we can say that all three corresponding sides are congruent by yes criteria. Our second criteria is ASA, that is angle side angle. In this we can see that angle BAC is equal to angle QPR, that is 52 degree. Side AB is equal to side PQ, that is 15 cm, and angle ABC is equal to angle PQR, that is 68 degree. So that now we can say that two corresponding and the included side between them are congruent by ASA criteria. Our third criteria is SAS, that is side angle side. In this we can see that side AB is equal to side PQ, that is 15 cm, angle BAC is equal to angle QPR, that is 70 degree, and side AC is equal to side PR, that is 14.5 cm. So that now we can say that two corresponding sides and the included angle between them are congruent by SAS criteria. Our fourth criteria is RHS, that is right angle hypotenuse side. In this we can see that hypotenuse AC is equal to PR, that is 18 cm, and side DC is equal to QR, that is 13 cm. So that now we can say that in two right triangles, the hypotenuse and one corresponding side are equal by RHS criteria. Thank you. Bye. Happy learning.